Hello everyone, today I decided to make a video about my open source plugin that I have been developing for about 4 months now. Let's review my plugin and explain how does it work. So firstly go to plugins tab and press on plugin icon. So first, as you can see, you might be a bit confused about this Nestify and what is Ravlow. Ravlow is basically Lua code we all write on Roblox, while Nestify is a framework like compiler. Shared settings that we probably gonna use a lot because it contains most of the settings. Now you might be a bit confused what does ignore properties does. That it lets you to selectively disable certain kind of properties of instance and its inheritance to not be compiled into code. Now let's take a look at property configs. First thing that comes to your eyes is a base macro. It is a macro that does let you make certain repeatable instance properties to be wrapped into function, so you have to write less code. Here for example let's write that. And it turns it into a template that gets used by compiler if possible. Now let's move to constants. It's a place where you can replace values into text. Many usabilities but mostly caching or instance reference. Path macro lets you replace or shorten path references by putting already existing instance directory here for example. Vault replace workspace reference into W. That's everything about macros. Now let's try to compile. As we can see, it produces a code that we can straight up copy, run, and will create as the exact chain of instances. Now let's try to add some key bins. Go to File, Advanced, Customize Shortcuts, and now let's add some key bins. Let's find Convert and give it Ctrl plus Alt plus space shortcut. Now search for search, ironically, give search key bin to be Shift plus F, and cancel search to be Shift plus space. Great, now we can press OK and move forward. Let's try to compile entire house and build script for it. It looks like we need to allocate more space for code. Move to shared settings, locate setting named buffer size, and let's put a tiny bigger number there. Now we can convert our code again. File is too big. Code is no longer highlighted anymore and we got on a slider. Let's press on a script and hammer icon so we can create a script out of it. And as we can see, we have got an entire model converted into a code. Let's test it out by printing and parenting it to workspace in the end of code. Alright, now let's run our game. And as we can see, our model is built successfully. That's pretty much everything about my plugin. I will post more tutorials and devlogs soon. Thank you for watching and make sure to share this video with your friends and press like and subscribe. Bye.